In a secure facility, one of the world's most iconic weapons is born. Every day, skilled engineers and craftsmen arrive to continue a legacy of precision manufacturing.
Welcome to where the legendary AK-47 is manufactured, Hutep, from raw steel to finished rifle.
Hello and welcome to our facility. I'm Victor, and today I'll guide you through every step of how we create the AK-47. From raw materials to the final test fire, you'll see why this rifle has earned its legendary reputation. Let's begin.
The journey begins here, in the raw materials warehouse, where premium steel awaits transformation. Fresh shipments of high-grade carbon steel arrive daily from specialized foundries. Each billet weighs hundreds of kilograms, enough steel to produce dozens of rifle receivers.
Every piece of raw material undergoes rigorous initial inspection for surface quality and composition.
Precision begins at the very first step. Tolerances are measured to hundredths of a millimeter. Different components require different steel grades, each carefully cataloged and stored. Automated systems transport materials efficiently through the facility.
Modern AK variants also incorporate high-strength polymers for stocks and furniture.
Laboratory analysis confirms each batch meets military specification alloy requirements.
Raw billets are sectioned into precise blanks, each destined to become of a specific component.
Every component is traceable, stamped with batch numbers for complete quality documentation. Before forging, steel blanks are heated to over 1200 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the steel becomes malleable, ready for the forging process. The forging department, where raw steel is transformed through tremendous force. Automated systems handle red-hot materials with precision no human could match. 3,000 tons of force shapes the receiver, the heart of every AK-47.
Each forging operation forms the basic receiver shape that will later be precision machined.
Skilled operators monitor every parameter. Pressure, temperature, and timing must be exact.
Controlled cooling prevents internal stress that could weaken the final product. Oil quenching rapidly cools the steel, beginning the hardening process.
Barrel production requires its own specialized forging process, rotary forging. 4 hammers strike over 1,000 times per minute, precisely shaping the barrel exterior. Before rifling, the barrel interior is polished to a mirror finish. Rifling creates the spiral grooves that spin the bullet for accuracy pullments, cut with microscopic precision.
Chrome lining protects the rifling and extends barrel life through thousands of rounds.
Chrome electroplating creates a wear-resistant surface inside every barrel.
Every barrel is inspected using specialized cameras to verify rifling perfection. Precision machining transforms forged blanks into exact components. This is where engineering meets artistry. From rough forging to precision component line, CNC machining removes material to exact specifications.
Cutting tools spin at thousands of RPM, removing steel with thousandth of an inch precision.
Computer-aided design ensures every component matches the original specification perfectly. Programmers optimize every cutting path for efficiency and surface quality.
After machining, Each part is thoroughly cleaned before proceeding to inspection.
Coordinate measuring machines verify dimensional accuracy to millionths of an inch.
Only parts meeting every specification proceed to the next production phase.
Heat treatment transforms the steel's molecular structure, hardening it for a lifetime of service. Precise temperature control ensures consistent hardness across every component.
Components soak at temperature for hours, allowing the crystalline structure to transform.
Rapid quenching locks in the hardened crystalline structure. Hardness testing confirms the heat treatment achieved the required strength specifications.
Skilled craftsmen add the finishing touches that machines cannot replicate.
Every edge is deburred for safe handling and proper component fitment.
Critical bearing surfaces receive hand polishing for smooth operation.
Trigger groups are assembled and adjusted for consistent, crisp pull weight.
Surface treatments provide corrosion protection essential for military-grade durability.
Markerizing creates a phosphate coating that protects against rust and reduces glare.
Additional protective coatings add extra durability and the final appearance.
Laser engraving permanently marks each rifle with unique identification and specifications. Final assembly brings all components together. The rifle takes its complete form.
Barrel alignment must be perfect, trias. This affects every shot the rifle will ever fire.
The bolt carrier group, the rifle's operating heart, is assembled and function tested.
The gas system channels propellant energy to cycle the action automatically.
Traditional wooden furniture combines classic aesthetics with proven durability.
Modern variants feature lightweight polymer furniture for tactical applications. Each assembled rifle undergoes complete mechanical function verification before proceeding.
The front sight block is pressed on and aligned with laser-guided precision.
The iconic adjustable rear sight is installed, calibrated for ranges up to 1,000 meters.
Muzzle devices reduce recoil and muzzle climb, aiding control during rapid fire.
Consistency is key. Every rifle must look and perform exactly like the one before it.
Magazine fitment is critical. It must be secure yet easy to remove in combat conditions.
The safety selector is stiff but distinct, designed to be operated with gloves in winter conditions.
Before the firing test, the mechanism is cleaned and lubricated.
Assembly is complete, but the true test awaits inside the live fire range.
Range is hot. Test protocol Alpha 7, proceed.
Every single rifle produced here must prove itself on the range.
Chambering the first round in England. The system is ready to fire.
Proof rounds generate higher pressure than standard ammunition to test barrel strength.
Semi-automatic function is tested for cycle consistency and ejection patterns.
Accuracy must meet strict military grouping standards at 100 meters.
Full auto testing stresses the gas system and recoil mechanism to the limit.
gas pressure cycles the action 600 times per minute reliably.
Reliability is not negotiable. Malfunctions here mean immediate rejection. Thermal imaging confirms heat dissipates correctly, protecting the operator.
All clear. Test passed. The rifle has survived its birth by fire.
But the process isn't over. Post-fire inspection is crucial.
Microscopic inspection ensures the locking lugs held firm under explosive pressure.
The rifle is thoroughly cleaned of all powder residue before packaging.
Only now does it earn the official seal of approval. In the logistics center, finished rifles are prepared for their final destinations.
Custom packaging protects the precision sights and finish during global shipping. Every rifle ships with a standard cleaning kit, sling, and maintenance tools.
Digital tracking ensures 100% accountability from factory to end user.
Sealed and secured. This rifle is ready for deployment.
Automated logistics systems prepare bulk shipments for military and civilian contracts.
Pallets are shrink-wrapped and staged in the export bay.
As the sun sets, the day's production begins its journey to customers worldwide. Secure transport ensures these tools arrive safely. The design has evolved, but the core principle remains unchanged: absolute reliability. Simple, rugged, reliable. A masterpiece of industrial engineering.
From the chrome-lined barrel to the stamped receiver. Every inch is built to withstand the harshest environments on Earth.
Steel, fire, precision, performance. Production never stops. The demand for reliability is constant. And that is the story of how raw material becomes a O.
It takes hundreds of people and thousands of steps to build just one rifle. But we build thousands, and we're proud of every single one.
Because out there, in the mud and the rain,
Perfection here means survival there.
We used over 4 kilograms of raw steel.
Point to create one operational unit.
If you want to see how we make the ammunition next, let us know in the comments.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
This has been an exclusive factory tour.
Subscribe to the channel for more engineering documentaries.
Don't miss our next episode on heavy artillery.
Click here to watch how tanks are built.